Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you're doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making creamy Italian sausage pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of penne pasta, uncooked, 2.5 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 medium onion diced, 1/4 cup of a red bell pepper diced, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese shredded, 2 cups of fresh spinach, and you want to make sure you wash it, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and also I have 1 pound of hot Italian sausage meat. You can use the Italian sausage of your choice. In a heated skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onion and also my red bell pepper. We're going to let that saute for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to add in my Italian sausage. And we're just going to go ahead and break it down. Make sure that everything is well combined with your onion and your bell pepper. Okay guys, you want to make sure that you break down your Italian sausage into small pieces. And we're just going to let it cook until it's all the way brown. Next, we're going to add in our minced garlic, our ground black pepper, and also our Italian seasoning. And guys, this is up to you. If you want to use salt, you can add a 1/2 teaspoon in. I'm not using any salt, but that's totally up to you if you want to add that in. Now you just want to mix this until it's well combined. We're going to let it cook for 2 more minutes. Okay guys, now I'm going to add in my chicken broth. And also my heavy cream. You can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. We're going to bring it to a simmer. Guys, you can give it a taste, and if you need to adjust any seasoning, this is the time to do it. Guys, also my sauce has a little orange to it. That's because I used hot Italian sausage. So now that it's come to a simmer, we're going to add in our penne. Now you want to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, now we're going to turn our heat down to medium-low. We're going to place a cover over top. We're going to let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes, and you also want to stir in between. We're letting it cook until the pasta is al dente. Remember guys, you want to stir in between. You don't want anything to stick to the bottom of your skillet. It smells amazing already. Okay guys, after 12 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our spinach, also our Parmesan cheese. You want to go ahead and mix that up, and you can turn off your heat. You want the cheese to melt. Okay guys, so here we have it, our creamy Italian sausage pasta. This is another great one-pot meal. It serves 6 people and it's made in 30 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?